$10,000. You just had a $10,000 sales month on WooCommerce. You're celebrating, right? But then you look at your bank account and it's empty. Where did the money go? You just had a $10,000 sales month on WooCommerce. You're celebrating, right? But then you look at your bank account and it's empty. Where did the money go? Here is the brutal truth. You know your sales, but you don't know your profit. Default WooCommerce treats every single transaction as pure profit, ignoring your supplier costs and daily overhead. You are running in the dark. That is the exact problem we solved with Bizmart. We threw out the slow, bloated WordPress design and replaced it with a modern, high-speed retail suite that calculates your real profit and cash flow automatically. It all starts with Bizmart Core, which is completely free. The moment you log in, you get a stunning analytics dashboard. Instead of basic text reports, you get vibrant, real-time KPI cards tracking sales, actual net profits, and total inventory value. A smart attention center flags critical items, like missing purchase prices, low stock alerts, and pending orders, while dedicated trend graphs show you exactly which items are driving your actual bank balance. Adding items is just as fast. The single-screen product creator lets you define products in seconds, set prices, enter purchase costs, and the system instantly calculates your profit margin. If you want to track cost fluctuations, the price history module records every shipment and automatically calculates your weighted average cost, or WAC, ensuring your profit margins remain 100% accurate. Managing orders is no longer a bottleneck. The Custom Orders panel replaces slow tables with instant AJAX search and color-coded status badges. When you click an order, a details drawer slides out smoothly from the right side of your screen instantly, keeping your workflow completely uninterrupted. But to truly master your business, you need the premium Finance Addon. This unlocks a complete invoice management system and supplier ledger. Clear KPI cards track your total invoice amounts, what you've paid, and your outstanding balance due. When you log a new supplier invoice, checking the deduct stock toggle automatically imports your new inventory directly into WooCommerce. As you add products, the system pre-fills fields with your latest purchase and selling prices. You can click mini chart icons to view popovers showing recent purchase costs, supplier history, and margin percentages. The built-in margin and profit calculator displays your expected retail sales value, total profit margin, and margin percentage before you even pay for the shipment. When it's time to pay, the Quick Payment Pro system lets you enter a single lump sum, and the system automatically distributes that payment across your oldest unpaid invoices, marks the bills as paid, and updates your ledger automatically. This feeds directly into your finance dashboard, where you manage expenses, track payments, and visualize your cash flow. The Expenses tab features a live profit and loss widget, and you can easily set recurring expenses like monthly shop rent. The Payments tab breaks down your transactions by method, while the Cash Flow Calendar maps every financial movement onto a visual, color-coded timeline to give you instant financial clarity. Finally, we have the Bizmart POS add-on for physical shops. Under the Registers dashboard, you can manage multiple registers and track live sales. Entering a register loads a dedicated full-screen cashier interface. If a customer needs to step away, cashiers can click the Hold button to instantly save the order as a held cart. If a customer brings an unlisted item, the cashier can use the Quick Create modal to name the item, set a price, and add it directly to the cart. To speed up checkout, the entire POS is fully operable using keyboard shortcuts. For shop managers, closing a register generates a detailed session report. It logs opening cash, cash in, cash out, expected cash, and actual counted cash, instantly flagging any drawer discrepancy. But the real magic is how this entire 3-plugin suite works together as a unified, one-shot ecosystem. The second a customer buys an item at your physical counter, your POS register prints a receipt custom-tailored to your brand. Your WooCommerce online stock drops instantly to prevent overselling. Bizmart Core logs the sale and calculates your gross margin based